need to wash windows, Jack. You can help him out.
Did it what time it was around here? Sat at the tunnel, sat at the office.
Look at that.
Look at that. Wow.
That's a 944.
944.
Well, you can film it. You don't just have to sit there and look at the straight ahead. Goofball.
You fall.
Film it.
Film it.
Man, they're busy.
That was your ear. Strasboro.
You pounded on it, too.
That was your color white. We're gonna pick a spot where way down there. Yeah, it's gonna help me wipe it off. I
No,
guess.
You're gonna wipe it off. Go get your pictures taken. I'm not gonna worry about wiping it off. We gotta clean it again later anyway. So we need to clean out the inside.
We need clean inside.
So go get your pictures taken. I might wash off the windows, but that's it.
Gonna
Look.
help me.